Hey everybody, it's Sean with the Dutco Reagan Homes and Investments team. Welcome to our February market update. As a quick reminder, we are doing this because we know there's abundance of information out there which can be overwhelming, and we wanted to give you an easy tool to provide clarity on what is going on in our local market in real time. In today's video, we will be covering some of the hottest topics, including inventory, interest rates, and home values.
Like Sean said, in today's video, we're going to cover 3 different categories, and I got the hard one, inventory. There just isn't any inventory on the market. The most important factor when determining pricing of any product is supply and demand. As you'll see in this chart, inventory is at an all-time low, with 27% less homes for sale than there were this time last year. And even locally, it's 24% than last year. Historically speaking, a normal market is when we have 3 to 6 months of inventory. Anything more than 6 months of inventory is considered a buyer's market, and anything less than 3 months is considered a seller's market. As you can see in this chart, the national inventory levels have been declining year over year for the last decade. And since 2018, nationally, we've been in a seller's market. As of today, national inventory is less than 2 months. What's that mean? If no new homes hit the market, given today's current buyer demand, it would take less than 2 months for all the homes to sell, even the ugly ones, and we all know what those look like. Luckily, we've been in a seller's market since 2012, and as of today, we have less than 1 month of inventory. Back to Sean for more on interest rates.
Obviously, it's not breaking news that interest rates are on the move. In fact, I'd be willing to bet you received a rate alert message since opening this video. Yes, rates are currently above the record low of 2.65%, which was set back in January 2021. But on the bright side, that is less than half of the historical average of 8% and roughly 14% below the record high of 18.5% set back in 1971. Could you imagine having double-digit interest rates? Just like interest rates, I'm sure you've already heard, home values are also on the rise. Last year alone, home values grew by almost 16% nationwide. While this is phenomenal growth, we know that it is not sustainable long term. As you can see, there's people a lot smarter than us that are projecting another solid year for real estate, with forecasted appreciation of around 5% nationally. Here locally in the DMV, we experienced 7.5% appreciation last year. While that's less than half of the national average, we can see that as a positive due to these levels being much more sustainable long term. Percentages are all fun and games, but when it comes down to dollars and cents, the 7.5% growth in our local home values resulted in the average homeowner increasing their net worth by more than $40,000. Over to Corey to break it all down.
So what does this all mean for you? If you're a buyer, prepare yourself for a competitive market. In today's environment, homes are moving quickly, with most receiving offers within the first weekend. It's not uncommon for the winning offer to escalate well above the asking price while waiving the majority, if not all, of contingencies. While this might seem really scary, we have multiple strategies and creative ways to structure winning offers while also helping you minimize your risk. If you're a seller, there's never been a better time to be on the market than now. Homes are selling at record prices in the shortest amount of time. The most important question is, where are you going? Whether you're moving up, downsizing, or relocating to another area, we have a strategy that can help navigate this dynamic market. And if you're an investor, the current market is challenging for short-term investments. However, if you're looking to build wealth through long-term investing, we have been able to help numerous clients add cash-flowing properties to their portfolio even in this challenging climate. We know that this is a lot of information to digest. If you've given any thought to buying, selling, or investing in the local DMV, we would love to set up a time to chat and learn more about how we can help you achieve your real estate goals. See you next month.